Hi everyone, and welcome to ECE 241, Administration, Human Relations. My name is Myrnie Rosenberg, and I'll be your instructor for this semester, and I'm really looking forward to working with all of you and getting to know all of you. You might be noticing right now that on your welcome page, your first announcement in the announcement areas, you see a picture of Brad Pitt and a headline for the movie Moneyball. And you can also see I am wearing my Front Range Community College baseball cap as well. And yes, that is by design. What I'm doing in this course is I'm aligning a lot of the concepts and competencies and ideals, actually aligning it to the movie The Moneyball. So I know that seems like an odd premise for an ECE class, but I'm wanting to take folks into a way of thinking differently in regards to leadership and in regards to the business end in early childhood education. And for those of you that have seen the movie The Moneyball, Brad Pitt, he plays Billy Beane, has to really find a way to make the Oakland A's successful on a very limited budget. And he really had to think outside the box, and that is where we'll be going. I think everybody would agree there's a huge similarity in small budgets in regards to early childhood education. So there's a lot involved here in terms of leadership. Many of you that are taking this classes probably are directors or wanting to become directors, but keep in mind that leadership is everywhere. It's everywhere in your centers, it's everywhere in your schools, or even in your home life, your surroundings out in society. Teachers are leaders in their classrooms, and even the kiddos, the children, are leaders to each other and to themselves. So leadership exists everywhere, and that'll be a component of this class along with many other things such as ethics, partnering with family, connecting with your staff, all those human relations pieces that you think, that you already know involve people and good leadership and handling ourselves appropriately and knowing what to do in difficult situations. So that's what this course is going to be about, and I just wanted to introduce you to that so that when you do see this Moneyball picture, you're not like, what did I get into? But I promise you will enjoy it. It will definitely all fully make sense to you in the end, and I think you'll find it quite enlightening as well. So some of you that have been taking online courses with D2L might notice a little slight change in the appearance, and on May 14th D2L went to a new program called Daylight. So the look has changed, but maybe even the look and feel has changed a little bit, but everything else just operates just exactly the same. So please don't panic when you see kind of a different look. I think it's a less cluttered, more simple look, so I think you'll really enjoy it. I've never heard any bad responses about the new look and feel, but if you do have any concerns or you can't find something or something seems different to you, just reach out to me. I'm happy to help you along, or of course you can always reach out to our help desk, which is there 24/7 to help you with any technological issues that you have. So just to get us started a little bit, I will just show you that once again we have this same top screen with our tabs, just slightly different name. Okay, let me move myself out of there. So under course materials is now where you'll find content, and also class list where you do your emails. Activities, assignments used to be called Dropbox, now it's just called assignments, and then discussion and quizzes are in there as well, and you'll be needing all three of those tabs. Progress is where you'll go to your grade book and find your own progress of how you're doing in the class, any resources that Front Range has to offer, and you can see there's a wide variety. If you need accommodations, if you need some advising, or we have an online writing center, lots of great resources for you. And then, of course, if you're having trouble technologically, then we have these resources as well. And there's the help desk that I mentioned earlier. So the look and feel is, like I said, the feel and the operation and function are the same. The look is just a little different. So let's go into content. I'll take you through a couple modules just to get you started. And here we go. So the Getting Started tab here, all your tabs are on the left. You will see the things that you need to know to get started in the course, and of course important dates, when you can drop the class and still get a refund, when you get dropped for non-attendance. You want to click on that tab and look at your important dates. Of course, your syllabus for the semester, and the course schedule is always very important. I have these separated out just so that if you wanted to print out the schedule and put it on your fridge or in your planner or something, it'll be more convenient just to print out the course schedule. So it's just set up in modules, what our topic will be, what you need to read, what you need to do, discussion 1, and then there's an assignment, and then how all of this aligns with the state learning outcomes, as well as the early childhood educators and administrators competencies. And these are important if you're participating in Colorado Shines, as you do, since we align with those competencies, you get an extra point in PDIS for that. So that's the importance of those being aligned. So please check out the schedule. And then I will go back here. Okay, and then just to give you an idea of another module, that's like your Getting Started Logistics module. Here's some information on me, information on discussions, and then let's just show you what a typical module will look like for you. And it tells you the week, how long it is, kind of what we're going to focus on, and then once again what you need to read and what you need to do. So for this first week, which is a very short week, Wednesday to Sunday, short week, so pay attention to that, we have discussion and an assignment as well. So please make sure to participate in both of those. If you participate in both of those, you'll have no concerns on being dropped for non-attendance, or actually even if you participate in one of those, you won't get dropped for non-attendance. So all the modules are consistent that way. They all have everything you need, a direct link to the discussion, a direct link to the assignment Dropbox. Very easy to navigate. So one thing I did want to point out is there will be 3 exams in this course, and 2 of them are open for specific dates, so that'll be very easy to follow. But I did want to let you know of another one that will be going on, and that is on the Colorado Rules and Regulations. And you will see it's just called Exam on Rules and Regs. Now that one I'm going to open on June 18th, but it's going to be open the entire semester. So take it at your leisure. The other good thing is all exams you can take as many times as you like. So you can take it, you know, make your corrections. Maybe you want to put it aside for a while and come back to it. But just know that that will be due on August 5th. So you have to kind of keep remembering that, oh, there is something due by the end of the semester, but that you will have all semester to do that. The other 2, as I mentioned, have specific dates and are only open for a week span. Other than that, I think it's all pretty self-explanatory, easy to navigate. Discussions, if you've taken classes before, what's important to know in discussions is to post early in the week. That's your initial post to the prompt. And then throughout the week, please respond to 2 of your peers. And that will give you a full credit of 20 points. So please do not post and reply all on Sunday, which is the day it closes, because that will result in a loss of 5 points. And then please don't post and reply all on one day, like all on a Wednesday or all on a Tuesday, because that will result in a loss of 3 points. So what's important to know about the discussions is that it's an ongoing real-time event where we are conversing, we're discussing, we're sharing, and so it's not an assignment in the sense that, you can just write a paragraph and that's it, right? So these are ongoing events that you need to have active participation in. And also important to know that discussions cannot be made up. So if you miss the discussion, unfortunately, there's no way to make up discussions. I do accept assignments, however, late assignments, but not late discussions. So I just wanted to point that out to you. Alrighty then. I think that is all I have on the course. Please, just email me with any questions, concerns, comments, or anything that you may have. Read your welcome news here and news announcement. Getting Started link will take you straight to Getting Started. This will take you straight to the syllabus, straight to the course schedule, and to your important dates. All right, so we're going to have a grand slam, a home run. It's going to be an awesome game, and I think you really will enjoy it. So I will see you all in introduction discussions, and away we go. Time to play ball. Bye.